Hello, Section A students. I hope you are all having a fantastic Thursday. I just wanted to make this video to talk about a few different things that I need you guys to look at today. First up, we need to make sure we're getting our journals done today. It will be Journal 3 on 9/10. The same goes for Voc. And I just wanted to take a moment to go over the All About Me presentation that you guys are going to be working on this for the rest of the week. A little bit about the assignment introduction. The purpose of this assignment/presentation is for me to get to know more about you. As your teacher, I like to know about you so I can help you better succeed in my class. In addition, finding out what type of learner you are will help me greatly. I'm excited to get to know each and every one of you throughout this year. Now, presentation expectations. You can find what day you're going to be presenting on the on my assignment board, which is also on the stream. I expect you to present your Google Slides to the best of your ability. I'm not expecting this presentation to be perfect. I'm just asking that you try your best. Make sure you speak loud and clear and slow, and that you try to make eye contact with your audience. This is what your slides are going to look like, and I will go ahead and present my example next. Slide 1 is title, a little bit about you. Slide 2 is all about you. I want to hear about you. When's your birthday? How do you describe yourself? What's your nickname? That kind of stuff. Slide 3 is about your family, so you can talk about parents, grandparents, siblings, dogs, cats, etc. Tell us all about your family. Slide 4 is your likes. What are your favorite things? Favorite TV show, movie, YouTube channel, okay? Dislikes, what are the things you really dislike? Like what kind of food, what kind of TV show do you not like? Slide 6 would be extracurriculars. What are the things you enjoy doing outside of school? Jobs, hobbies, sports, passions, whatever fills your time outside of school. I want you to talk about that on slide 6. Slide 7, you're going to need to use this link. And this document's also on Google Classroom, and I'll show you where that's at in a second. But you're going to need to click on this link and go take this quiz to help you find out if you're an auditory, visual, or tactile learner. Okay, this is going to help me understand how you learn best. I also want to know about what kind of things you enjoy doing in class or what kind of things you don't like doing in class. And then slide 8 is our thank you slide. Down here you can see the points. Okay, each slide's worth 2 points. 1 point for the physical slide, making sure you have everything on it, and then 1 point for pictures on your slide. And over here, presentation points, 2 points, you presented it basically, you make good eye contact, you speak loud, clear, okay, you're not looking at the ground. And then slide 2, more points down here, 2 points. You put effort into your presentation and you took this assignment seriously. Alright, so let's go ahead and look back. This is the same on English 1, okay? But these will post September 10th, which is the day that you're going to be hearing this video. And right here you can just see, the assignment sheet, okay, rubrics on there, and then also my Google Slides as an example. But I'm going to go ahead and present my Google Slides for you, maybe. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and click through them like this. So, all about me, I am Miss Jones, as you know by now. My birthday is March 2nd, 1996. I would describe myself as an organized, kind, outgoing English teacher. I love what I do, and I hope to get you to love English more this year. My future career, I love being an English teacher. I think maybe eventually I'd like to get my master's and become a principal or athletic director, or maybe a college professor. I'm not sure. We'll see. And some of my interests include boating. My parents just bought a boat like a week and a half ago, so we've been enjoying boating over the weekends. I enjoy reading. I love watching movies. I enjoy kayaking. I like to lay out by the pool and spend time with family and friends. Alright, next we have family. My parents' names are Damien and Sarah Jones. This is my mom and this is my dad. My dad is the superintendent at our Jenna Oriana, and my mom is a teaching assistant for a life skills classroom in Decatur. My sister over here, her name's Jillian. She is 22, and this is her fiance, Austin. They're going to get married in June. Jillian is currently student teaching at Warrensburg. Mac over here, he's 18, and he is currently a senior at our Jenna. my grandparents, on my dad's side, I have Gil and Darlene, and on my mom's side, I have Diane. This is my great-grandma, Cookie. She's adorable. She's going to turn 97 this year. I have 2 dogs, Blue and Red. Here's a little picture of Blue, and here's Red. Here's a bigger picture of Red. And then my sister and her fiance have Max. He's over here. All super cute dogs. And my best friends are Katie and Sean. And Katie's back here on this side, right here. Alright, some of my likes. I love the TV show Euphoria. I love Stranger Things. Some of my favorite movies include Into the Wild. I love the Harry Potter movies and the Twilight movies. As far as YouTube channel goes, I love David Dobrik, the Try Guys, the Bucket List Family, and the Dolan Twins. My favorite video games, Animal Crossing. My favorite actors are Tom Cruise, Brad Pitt, Timothée Chalamet, and Robert Pattinson. As far as actresses go, I love Margot Robbie, Charlize Theron, and Jennifer Lawrence. My favorite restaurants. I love Chipotle. I eat there way too much. I also love El Corral. My favorite food is a chicken bowl from Chipotle or a roast con pollo. I love Coca-Cola. I love Sprite and sweet tea. My favorite colors are blue, gray, and black. My favorite sport is volleyball or football. My favorite team, Storm Volleyball or UVI Volleyball. I don't really watch any professional sports. I usually just watch college sports. My favorite book is The Catcher in the Rye. And my favorite things to teach are Into the Wild for seniors and short stories to freshmen. Some of my dislikes, personality characteristics that I don't like. I don't like people who are unkind, judgmental, or dishonest. I don't eat red meat. This cute little cow up here, I won't eat him, so that's something I dislike. And I really don't like Mountain Dew. Be nice and do your work in my class, and we won't have any problems. Extracurriculars. I'm also the publications advisor. I am the head middle school volleyball coach. Here's some of my awesome 8th graders from last year up here. And I'm also the assistant high school volleyball coach. And this is a picture from last year. A little bit more on me. What type of learner am I? I'm a visual learner. Visual learners are learners who process information that they can see better than information that they can hear. So I typically need to be able to see something in order for me to really grasp it. And what type of teacher am I? I'm very organized. I'm not a big homework assigner, but this year I guess it's going to be a different year for that, so I'm not really sure that applies this year. I'm also kind and caring. And if you want to ask me any questions, you can feel free to email me. This is a cute picture from when I was a little baby, and I think this was my 6th birthday party. It was a Powerpuff Girls birthday party. That is all I have for you guys right now. Make sure you get your journal done and start working on your All About Me presentation. You will also have class time allowed as our remote learning time tomorrow on Friday. Have a good day.